What were you looking to achieve with your new kitchen design?
Making it blend together as one room and be functional as well. We knew we wanted to redo this, but we couldn't figure out how to get it to blend right.
Can you tell us what the best part of your new kitchen is?
Is to be able to get to everything so easily. I can organize my Tupperware. And then for the pots and pans, they stack beautifully. And I have the lid separate. I love having the built-in oven.
Which new features are you enjoying the most?
The openness that we achieve by knocking down the built-in and being able to get a beautiful big screen TV for my husband to watch football games. That was a key feature. And we decided to do a backsplash that didn't have too much grout. And love that. Love the quartz, which is easy to take care of. And it's restful. It's neat. And my husband loves it.
For more on this remodel and other exciting projects, visit us at KabCoKitchens.com.